What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Don't know if you can see a couple worms there. There's a worm in the back there. And then like one worm on the side here. Today's the 6th feeding. Last time there was the banana in the middle, and I added a few pieces of the spinach right to the center here. And I'm seeing some green here. So I'll start kind of diving in. Okay, here's that banana. Wow, and they're doing a number on this now. So that just came apart. Yeah, this banana's definitely seen better days, which I'm very happy with. Still has that garlicky smell from those garlic scapes I added. Yep, but I'm very happy with how the worms are doing right now. I'm just going to put that over to the corner and then just kind of inspect everything real quick. Doesn't feel super moist, but it's not dry. I had somebody saying, man, all that spinach is going to be gone for the next feeding. Well, most of it was, and a lot of that banana peel was, so, and I'm glad not everything was consumed, so you can still see I'm probably feeding just a touch too much. So this feeding is going to be just a little easier. I have a few more sweet potato vine scraps. You can't see it because of the bag. I have some grapes. And with grapes, I tried to squeeze, and these were frozen also. But I squeeze them because I'm helping the worms get an access point. You know, grapes are great food to ferment. So if I'm giving the worms and the bacteria a point of access, it's going to help them break down a little faster and let the worms get to them. And then typically, I don't have tea, but I had tea the other day, so I'll throw the tea bag in there, and I'll get a chance to see how they go after that. Next, I'll add my grit, ground up eggshell. Eventually it'll help to add some calcium into the garden, also help eliminate some acidity in the bin. Then I'll go with my worm chow over the top. And because I know it's not a super wet feeding, I'm going to go ahead and add a little moisture. Let them get to that worm chow just a little quicker. So, oh. Got a few worms right on top here. Just looking to see if I see anybody else. So this is down in that lower section. Here's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 worms. There's one right here. Oh, he was too fast for me. There he is. Okay, so there were 7 worms basically kind of hanging out on the top. Now this section down here, with only having a few worms and not getting any feedings, is definitely drier. Oh, there's one down at the bottom. Oh, wow. So if I found 7, that would be 10. Yeah, definitely going to add some more moisture down here. I'll even give them a little treat, give them a little worm chow. Okay, a couple little drops of moisture there. Okay, and nobody down in that section, so that's good. I'm very pleased with the progress of this Vermihut worm tower. This to me is looking very good. I'm noticing larger and larger worms. They're actually still in that feeding area, which is good. With that banana peel, that is a solid long-term food or a slower food. And I was even noticing a good bit of that was being eaten. So I'm very pleased with that. And then going down below and finding about 10 large worms, that was pretty neat. So giving them a little extra water and then also a little bit of that worm chow, hopefully give them a little nutrition and let them start populating that lower section of the bin. On the bottom of this tray, I did just put paper. On the bottom of the lower tray, I put paper and a couple pieces of cardboard to hopefully prevent them from going all the way down to that white tray or the basin that has that spigot. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.